Hi guys, Lens Walters here, and in this video we are going to do a review, and here's where my logo comes in. And this software is quite useful. I used it in the past. You can recover deleted photos, documents, different data on your phone including contacts and more. This is if you have deleted those files, whether by accident. You can definitely recover all those data. So in this video I am going to show you how I am going to do so and how you can do so as well. So let's go. So you want to visit this website for Tenorshare and you want to download the Altidata for Android. This can help you to recover all of your lost data, whether videos, pictures, documents, contacts. I am going to open the software and I am going to see if I can recover any deleted data from my cell phone. So the software is now opening and we should be able to recover lost data, recover from our Google Drive, from WhatsApp, from WeChat, and also from the regular WhatsApp here. So what I am going to do, I am going to recover lost data. So what you want to do here, you want to connect your phone. When you connect your phone, you want to always allow this computer to have access, and you will need to enable the USB debugging, right? So what I am going to do in this video, I am going to recover contacts, documents, and also text messages and call history. Start. So we just allowed the software to access the phone and it is now scanning my Samsung Galaxy A12, and when this is completed it should show us all of the data that is being recovered. I do believe that this will take some time, so what I am going to do, I am going to pause the video and then resume the video a bit later. So the scan is now completed, and as you can see, if we are looking for something specifically, we can go back and we can check the messages. We can also check our contacts as well. So guys, I do hope that this was helpful, and I hope that this software help you guys to recover your lost data. And bear in mind that you can lose your data on your phone due to virus, due to accidentally deleting your stuff, due to a software that delete your important data. This software by Tenorshare is very good and ideal in data recovery for Android. So guys, do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.